Let us make some really nice, soft and easy granola scones, and the inspiration is from resenta.se. They are ready in no time and they require just few ingredients. Okay, we are going to start off by combining flour, some salt and baking powder in a bowl. You can actually check the measurements on the screen or in the caption down below or above. And now we are going to give that a good mix. Then we are going to add in some butter, and then we're going to rub in the butter until it becomes like breadcrumbs. Add some granola crunchy from Resenta, and then mix that until everything comes together. Then go in with some sour cream, and then we're going to mix that until everything is well combined. Again, you can read caption for the complete measurements. You also have to note that the dough is really going to be sticky, so do not panic. Just continue and trust the process. Now we're going to transfer the dough onto a work surface, and we're going to sprinkle with some flour, and then we're going to rub that same flour on our fingers, and now we're going to try to form some balls, from small to medium size of balls. And then we're going to place the ball on the parchment paper, which is placed on a baking pan. Once that is done, we're going to brush the top with some egg, and then we're going to garnish it with some seeds, chiffon seeds or any other form of seeds that you have around your kitchen. And then we're going to bake this in a preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown and nicely baked. Now we're going to let that to cool down. Once that is done, just get that open to see how it looks like in the inside. They are so soft, very delicious. You can pair it with your favorite jam. In this case, I had it with some blueberry jam and also with a cup of hot lemon ginger tea, and I actually enjoyed it, and I hope you too, you're gonna try it and enjoy your mornings. Thank you for watching. A bon appetit.